Hey guys, welcome to another FSD video. So the Cybertruck got its 13.2.9 FSD software last night, and I want to take this out for a spin, go for lunch. Now, I haven't made a FSD video for a while, in fact, any video for a while, because I dislocated my shoulder and was pretty much out of commission. So this hand is now coming back online, and I thought I'd make a quick one. So no fancy cameras, just a simple cell phone, straight view on. All right, so this is about a 3 mile trip, a short one. So let's see how it does. All right, this turn looks cool. Nobody's coming from the other side. Now 13.2.8 I have been using for a while. We've done a couple of long distance trips, so it's actually worked out pretty well. The car still seems to tend towards the left, as many people have complained. So that's not been fixed yet. So maybe this version fixes that, but we'll see. All right, nothing fantastic, even though it's pretty cool. Standard exit. So we are merging into 95 North, and wow, that was interesting. That guy, I thought it would wait for him. But anyway, we are going to merge into 95 North, and the merge runway is not that much. So let's see how it does. Again, these have worked out pretty well in the past, so I'm not going to be expecting anything crazy. Actually, right now, the FSD is in chill. I'm going to switch to standard. All right. Change over, please. Let's see. Come on. So one of the things I've found is, just like the name suggests, the chill mode will typically keep it within 3 miles per hour within the speed limit. Even though the ceiling is, I think for something like this, at 55 miles per hour speed limit, the ceiling is 85 miles per hour. It'll still keep it within that. But if you go to standard, that's about 7 to 10 miles above the speed limit. And then hurry will try and keep you all the time on the passing lane, and it's probably going to go at least 12 to 15 miles over the speed limit. I usually keep it in standard, seems to work fine. All right, I would really expect it to actually change lanes right now. Let's see. If it doesn't change lane past some of these signboards, I'm going to switch it to hurry. Okay, what the hell? Let's see. There you go, it's in hurry now. It's probably going to do 2 lanes, maybe 3, and go to this passing lane. We'll see. And as you can see, it takes off. Speed limit is 55, and it's doing 72. And as you can see, it moved to the passing lane in hurry. Yeah, you kind of seem to get bored, right? Once things are just working normally, you want it to do crazy stuff, right? So let's leave it in hurry and see what happens. I'm supposed to go 2 more exits and then take that exit, right? So, oh, okay, it's changing lanes. That's good. All right, 2 lane at a time. That's nice. Again, in hurry, it will do multiple lanes at a time, whereas in standard, it will go 1 lane and then wait for a little bit and then change again. Actually, for hurry, this is still kind of timid. Usually it goes way past some of these cars and takes a pretty abrupt exit. So we're actually getting into this complex here. It has a note on red. I don't think it can still read signs, but let's see if it's going to creep out or not. It shouldn't. It shouldn't. It shouldn't. It shouldn't. Okay. I had to break it up over there. All right, there you go. One disengagement right away. And should turn in and go up that hill. Let's see if it does that correctly. Okay, switches indicators. So clearly, no turn on reds. If I bet you, if I okay, what the hell? Where are you going, buddy? Okay, that was a really weird, funny turn it did. So that's interesting. What I was about to say is that usually in standard, it I think just stops at a red light and doesn't do this free right turns. So in a way, it's probably safer. In hurry, it probably doesn't see the no turn on red and starts to creep along. I do not know, but that is an interesting observation. Okay, now let's see where it's going to take me. It should end the journey here. It's still dragging along. Why? What the hell are you doing, buddy? You're going inside the bushes. Oh, or are you trying to park? Okay, I'm just going to give you the benefit of doubt there and let you park. Come on, pull back. All right. Please do this in one shot. Don't be an ass. I can do this in one shot, even with a half-ass broken hand. Straighten out, straighten out, straighten out, straighten out, straighten out, straighten out. Okay, come on. That's it. That's good. Give it up. Give it up. There you go. Okay, so clearly it did a couple of crazy things. One, it was trying to end me up in that bush over there for some reason. I don't know if it was trying to park over here. That's pretty new in this particular version. Also, the funny little turn it tried to do near the Jared's over there, that was a bit of a weird move. So, a couple of weird things there. The no turn on red on a hurry mode, I have seen it try to creep along, so I don't think that's much of a change. But anyways, I'm going to make this into a quick video and push it up on YouTube, and hopefully you guys will like it. If you find this useful, give me a like and subscribe. Thanks very much. Bye bye.